Come with me as I set up my planner for the coming year. Now I'm setting mine up based on this planner that I'm using, which is one from my brand, Papers and Gems. We do planners, notepads, notebooks, and this is the planner that I found is most effective for my needs. It comes with this really cute dust bag, this 6-ring binder planner, and we do all of these inserts here. So you've got a dashboard there, you've got something for your monthly planning, your weekly planning, you've also got daily planning inserts as well. And in mine, I like to have space for making notes. So I've got this plain section, a lined section, and you can't quite see it here, but it's also a dotted section there as well. I really love this planner. It's just so sturdy and I really like the texture, and it looks really nice on my desk as well. So it feels quite aesthetic, and it's also got space for these pockets as well. So I sometimes pop little notes in there and then post-it notes in case I want to add them in as well. And it's got this space for a pen as well. The way that you use it is it's got these bits at the top and bottom that you can press to pop the ring binder open, and then you just snap it closed with the rings as well. So here you've got the dashboard. So I really love the vellum on that one. And then the way I've set mine up is using the dividers that it comes with. I start off with a monthly section towards the front of my planner. So month to month, I have a really good overview of what I need to do each month. Then I use another divider and set up my weekly section. And you can see here, I've used the stickers and set up my weekly section there. And then these are the weekly pages. They keep me so organized week to week. Then I add in the today section. So these are my daily pages, and I really like to have quite a few of these in there. These help me get really organized. I keep quite a few of the daily pages in here. Of course, you can take them out and put them in later, or you can put all of your daily pages straight into here. It just depends on how you want to work. So this is also a section that I keep in my planner. I have all of my notes at the back, and then I've got space to add in any extra inserts I want to as well. And this is how the planner looks when it's made up. I like keeping the categories quite minimal on the sides. I haven't used all 6 of the dividers that the planner comes with. I've just used those 4 sections there. And I really like the fact that I can just have everything in one place, keep my notes and keep my daily planning in there. I really love this planner. It's probably one of the things that has kept me most productive and on track with everything that I need to do. I hope you look forward to setting yours up, and let me know in the comments what you think.